X is for Xmas Cake. Okay, so it's not exactly a Christmas cake because it is only April. However, this is a lighter version of my gluten-free Christmas cake recipe, which you can make every day and which loads of you have asked me for. Plus, I had no idea what to do for X.
I solely believe that Christmas cake should not be reserved just for Christmas. But if you don't fancy soaking the fruit and having a cake that you have to mature for weeks on end, feeding it alcohol every fortnight, then you need to make this gluten-free fruit cake. It is an everyday version of my classic Christmas cake recipe. It's so easy to make and you can eat it as soon as it's baked. Of course, you can top it with marzipan and icing if you like, but I just went for a dusting of icing sugar. Find all the details in the caption.